Hello everyone, welcome to Life in UAE vlog. I'm back with one more makeover video, that's my living room makeover. This makeover is going to be very interesting and very affordable. Please watch till the end. This wall has this electrical pipe which is not looking good. Still I cannot remove this because this cable is needed for the TV connection. Hence I need to do something which makes this wall look good. All the decor items I am using in this makeover video are made by me and the links are in the description. Take some white cement, add water to make the paste. This paste is to cover the drilled holes on the wall. Cover the holes and let it dry for some time. Once dried, you can scrub it off. There are two corners on the left and right side of the window. Here I am going to stick my popsicle stick DIYs. This DIY video is already uploaded in my channel and you can find the link in the description. To get the natural light through the window, I am using net curtains here. Let's decorate this pipe. I am using artificial flower strand. I cut it and made it like this, like a single flowers. And I used sellotape to stick this to the pipe. I have left the small portion without decoration. I will show you what I did there in some time. Now it's looking like at least better than before. It looks like I made some design on the wall. Let's keep one big vase and put some artificial flowers in it. One corner decoration is done now. Let's decorate the second corner now. I purchased this plant stand from a local shop because I have many indoor plants. And these plants need indirect sunlight through this window. So I choose this corner for the plant stand so that it gets the indirect sunlight. And also to give a greenery look, I have put one green mat on the floor. I have done decoration for two corners and the corner walls. As I showed you earlier, I had left some pipe without decorating. Above this pipe, I hung my DIY dream catcher. This dream catcher video link is shared in the description. These stars I made from glitter foam paper and I am using these stars to cover this pipe and also to cover the drilled holes which I closed using white cement. Actually, today I'm showing you only half living room makeover, and rest half makeover video like part 2 will be released next week. Let's move the TV table here and finish one side of the living room makeover. Some of my subscribers were asking me that why don't I upload makeover videos every week. Actually, that's not possible because I need to prepare well before any makeover like wall decor. I make my own wall decor DIYs. Basically, my aim is to show you how well we can decorate our home in less budget. Let's quickly make one DIY to decorate the other side. Here I am taking popsicle sticks and mirrors again to do this DIY. As I told you earlier, my theme for this makeover is popsicle sticks and mirror art. Around 150 to 200 popsicle sticks I have used for all the DIYs. I am making a pentagon shape or like a house shape. I used 6 pentagons to make one set like the one I made here. You can make any shape like triangle. If you want big one, then hexagon. This popsicle stick art looks good on the wall. Again, I am using glitter foam paper to cover these pentagons. I made 3 sets like this. Let's finally decorate with the mirror. Stick on the wall with the double-sided tape. I had these 2 showpieces from very long time. This is made up of clay. I didn't know where to and how to decorate these on the wall, but this time I got an idea. I made this house, and inside the house I kept these showpieces. And one house I have left empty as of now. Next to sofa, one side table and one plant on it. As you see, I am pushing one more sofa near to the black sofa. Basically, I am making a sitting area. My tea table is looking old and the side plywood is coming out. Let's cover it with the shiny tape. Basically giving a little makeover to this table as well. am going to finish the makeover with a floor mat, tea table and a showpiece. As I told you earlier, this is only half living room makeover and other half makeover video will be uploaded maybe after a week or 10 days. Let's have a final look. I hope you like this makeover video. Thank you for watching. Part 2 video will be up soon. Bye bye.